Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to share files through Dropbox app. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen that I've already installed Dropbox app. You can also get it through App Store, Play Store. So I'll tell you how to share files. I'm going to go to File Manager right over on my phone, tap on it. Now you can select any of the images, videos, documents, music, and downloads to share to any of the other accounts on the Dropbox. I'm going to select one of the documents to share, so I'm going to tap on Documents. Here I will select one of the books that I want to share, so I'm going to tap on it. Simply tapping on it is going to give you 4 of the options. On the very below you can see you'd have an option of send, move, delete, and more. I'm going to tap on send on the bottom left corner of the screen. This will give you 2 of the options. On the top you can see from Dropbox, either to add to Dropbox or share with Dropbox. So I'm going to tap on share with Dropbox to share this file. So I have a password to enter that I had kept earlier. After this you can tap on OK if you are going to upload this content and then share it later. So I'm going to tap on OK. So you can see it's being uploaded. So when you're done with all of this, you can tap on share in Dropbox on the top, just top of arrow next to messaging on the very left part. Tap on it. So you can see you can send this to with the name, email, or group as well. So I am going to keep one of the email address to whom I want to share, and you can select further many of them to send, and even tap on this optional message if you want to send them any of the messages as well. So after this, if you want to skip it, you can skip as well. So when you're done, tap on share option on the very bottom. So you can see I am on the home page of my Dropbox account, and there is an option of send files. Tap on it to see if you've shared it. So you can see that I've just shared 2 of the files from here, that how successful people think. So this was one of the files that I shared from my Dropbox account. So this is how you do it. This is how you share files to Dropbox app. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.